Hey, what's up guys? Sal here with another update for Rocket Captain. It's now at 1.6.0. Let me go over quickly what the changes are, major changes. And alright, so first off, upon login, let's see, let me just see what happens. Login, and you'll first see this little thing right here, a little guide, especially for new players. You'll have a little guide what each buttons are and what they mean and all that kind of. So once you close this thing, click OK, and it'll close. This will not automatically pop up anymore. It'll only pop up for the very first time. So it has a bunch of stuff. Yeah, well, what each buttons do. Claim free lives. You'll now get lives plus 10 lives and 10 points. But you do have to watch an ad to claim those daily. It's a daily reward, daily gift basically. And yeah, so there was a bug here on 1.5 where yeah, it was showing some negative numbers. That's fixed. Should be. We'll see. This thing will also show, this is a new one. It'll take you to a new scene. This will contain all of the results from the previous event. And what I like as well is this new one right here, this current version thing. So starting from 1.6.0, you'll now know if your game is out of date. So this right now, it's up to date. But if I ever push out an update again, you'll know your stuff is out of date, your game is out of date, and this will actually change to a cloud download icon. So this is when you click the claim free lives, you'll get lives and points. Like I said, you just have to watch an ad. You don't have to worry about. For the point shop, there are now different tiers for rockets as well. So different prices based on which rocket you select. I'm kind of playing around with the cost of the rockets right now, but yeah, this is what they are currently at. Click on pressing time attack. You'll also get that guide here. Again, it'll only pop up automatically for the first time you get here. Once you click OK, it won't pop up again unless you press that little question mark button there. You also gain points now per completion. The what do you call it? The buttons, I've added like a little panel surrounding them. The buttons are actually like bigger. You don't have to press the actual buttons directly. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the updates. So next set of work I have for myself, I have a little timeline going, and which I want to do. So I want to add multiplayer next, multiplayer mode. I think that'll make things fun. I have some idea for the different game modes that I'm gonna start working on, but I've never done multiplayer. This is new territory, so I need to learn all the networking junk with this, all the like the whole host relay and all these other stuff. So I gotta figure that out. But yeah, it'll be fun, a lot of work, and I hope to keep you guys updated, and I'm hoping to release this sooner than later. Also, while I'm doing these, I'll try to do my best to also try to post some videos of all, like, some lessons learned, things like minor little ones, because I've found a lot of it, people are asking the same kinds of questions. Yeah, so I think it would also help the game dev community. Until then, yeah, stick around, or yeah, please subscribe, like, and yeah, support. Just download the game. Like I said, it's free. So yeah, please download, give it a try, and yeah, have fun. Thank you.